Hello, this is Nick Rhodes. I got a car through you guys through Turo. Hey, I'm over here punching in 2459 and it's not going through. Took a damn Chevy Spark back here. This thing has zero off-road capabilities, and I said, screw it. You can tell it's not my car. I'm doing stuff like that. Barely got any sleep. That right there is the reason I woke up, just to catch the sunrise. It's not here today. Try to hide and change your fate. And I've got to say what is on my mind. And I have been lying, I'm not doing fine.
This is what it looks like from the top. Can you see?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, you see a lot more dunes and you see the mountains on the other side, but yeah, it wasn't good.
This way is getting too much to bear. Lover, oh, why do you even care? And Father, oh, check out this killer view. Man, with prices like this, I'm about to invest in a damn horse. This is crazy. I just ran out of gas. So, now I gotta walk to the gas station.